Today start a next lecture. A preparation of ketones from nitriles. Look here, a last time studied a preparation of aldehyde from the nitriles. Okay, the reaction is a Stepan reactions, or also by using the diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Look here, today start everybody here a preparation of ketone from the nitriles. Reaction with simple reaction with Grignard reagent. Here a reaction with reaction with Grignard reagent. Reaction with Grignard reagent, correct? Yes. Look here, a simple reaction with Grignard reagent. Actually, first a CH3C triple bond N, name of the compound methyl cyanide. Name of the compound methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile, correct? Yes. Look here, it's a reacted with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent CH3 MgI methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether as a solvent. In presence of dry ether as a solvent. Look here everybody, a first aid use. First aid use like this. Okay, CH3. Okay, next. C. Next, CH3. Next, double bond. Here, N, MgI. Look at what is this? This is the Mg complex. What is this? Mg complex. Magnesium complex. Okay, here magnesium complex, Mg complex. Mg complex. Look here, which on acidic hydrolysis S3O plus. Acidic hydrolysis. Like this, breaking here. Okay? Compound CH3, next C, CH3, O, name of the compound here, acetone. Another name of the compound, look here, dimethyl ketone. Another here, dimethyl. Dimethyl ketone. Plus, okay, here Mg, magnesium complex here, MgI. Next here, OH. Look here, all of you, here simple questions here. What is the action of methyl magnesium iodide on methyl cyanide? Actually, in general reaction, phenalkyl nitriles reacted with Grignard reagent. Phenalkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrile is reacted with Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether. First it gives Mg complex. Repeat here, methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile is reacted with a Grignard reagent. In presence of dry ether. First it gives Mg complex. Which on acidic hydrolysis, to form corresponding ketone. This is general reaction. But simple question, what is the action of a methyl magnesium iodide on methyl cyanide? Okay, then what is the action of a methyl magnesium iodide on methyl cyanide? Repeat, methyl cyanide is reacted with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. First it uses Mg complex, which on acidic hydrolysis to form acetone or dimethyl ketone. methyl ketone. Okay, yes. Or second question, how will you convert methyl cyanide or ethyl nitrile into a dimethyl ketone or acetone? Correct? Yes. Look here, a next questions here, simple next questions. Next questions like this. Okay. You know, what is the action of, 1 minute, what is the action of methyl magnesium iodide? What is the action of methyl magnesium iodide on ethyl cyanide? Means CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. Ethyl cyanide. Ethyl cyanide or propionitrile. Propane nitrile. Okay, propane nitrile. Correct? Propane nitrile here. Look here, is reacted with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, first it gives, like this, CH3. Okay, CH2, CH3. Okay, yes. Double bond, N, MgI. Name of the compound here, like this. Okay, Mg complex. Look here, which on acidic hydrolysis. Which on a acidic hydrolysis to form like this. Okay, break it here. Compound CH3, CH2, C. Okay, CH3. Next, like this. Plus Mg. Okay, next I. OH plus, ammonia gas. Byproduct here, okay, a ammonia gas. Look here, simple, when ethane, okay, methyl cyanide or propane nitrile. When ethyl cyanide or propane nitrile is reacted with methyl magnesium iodide. Is reacted with a methyl magnesium iodide in presence of a dry ether. In presence of a dry ether, first it gives Mg complex. Everybody simple here. Okay, like this. MgI, partially plus. Okay, CH3, partially minus. Okay, the electron pair transfer. Everybody 1 minute. The MgI attached. N and CH3 attached. Okay, CH3 attached the carbon. Like this. Okay, yes. Convert into a Mg complex. Mg complex which on acidic hydrolysis to formation of, compound here ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, ethyl methyl ketone. Correct? Yes. Okay. Look here. Complete the second reaction here. Look here, everybody. A next reaction. Next. Simple reactions like this. Okay. Next. Everybody here, a third, what is the action of a benzonitrile on a phenyl magnesium bromide? Benzonitrile. Like this. C6H5 N. Okay, here Cn, C triple bond N. C triple bond N. A name of this compound here. Name of the compound, a benzonitrile. Benzonitrile. Look here, when benzonitrile is reacted with, okay, C6H5 MgBr, name of the compound phenyl magnesium bromide. Name of the compound phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. Okay? Yes. Look here, in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. Simple, like the C6H5. okay, attached to the carbon. And okay, like this Mg, we are attached to the nitrogen. First it gives Mg complex, like this Mg complex, you know, yes, C6H5, C6H5, next C6H5, next double bond, N, Mg, Br, correct? Yes. Name of the compound Mg complex, magnesium complex. Which one? Acidic hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis, yes, 3O plus. Okay, you know, product like this. Okay, C6H5, you know, C6H5 like this. Next, C6H5, double bond O, benzophenone. Okay, plus next NS3 plus Mg complex here, complex compound. Mg, next Br, next is the OH. Most important reaction. Look here, everybody. Simple questions here. Hey, what is the action of phenyl magnesium bromide on benzonitrile? Phenyl benzonitrile is reacted with a phenyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. First, it gives Mg complex. Okay, which on a acidic hydrolysis, to form benzophenone. Okay, the reaction. Everybody, the reaction, a preparation of ketone from nitrile by using the Grignard reagent. Okay, complete the preparation method of ketone from nitrile. Okay, thank you.